Welcome back, creators. Today we're diving into the best AI tools that can revolutionize your content creation process. Let's be real, juggling brainstorming, writing, editing, creating visuals, it's a lot. But what if you could have an AI assistant by your side taking care of the heavy lifting? We're talking about boosting your efficiency, unlocking new levels of creativity, and taking your content quality through the roof. Stick around, because in this video, we're exploring the AI tools that are about to become your new secret weapons. So, why is everyone talking about AI in content creation? First off, time is money, right? AI tools can automate those repetitive tasks that eat into your day. Think generating social media posts, transcribing audio, or even coming up with catchy headlines. That frees you up to focus on the big picture, the strategy and creativity that only you can bring. But it's not just about speed. AI can actually help you be more creative. Imagine having a brainstorming partner that can analyze trends, suggest fresh angles, and even generate different writing styles. It's like having a whole team of creative minds at your fingertips. And let's not forget about quality. AI tools can analyze your writing for clarity, grammar, and even SEO optimization, making sure your content is top-notch and reaches the right audience. First up, we've got Jasper AI, a tool that's been making waves in the content creation world. And for good reason, this thing is powerful. Imagine typing in a few keywords about your topic, and boom, Jasper starts spitting out paragraphs of high-quality, original content. We're talking blog posts, social media captions, website copy, even scripts like this one. Jasper can handle it all. And it's not just about churning out words. Jasper actually understands context and can adapt its writing style to match your brand voice. Need something persuasive? Jasper can do that. Want to inject some humor? Jasper's got you. It's like having a team of professional writers on demand, ready to tackle any content challenge you throw their way. But here's the real kicker. Jasper is constantly learning and improving. The more you use it, the better it gets at understanding your preferences and generating content that hits the mark. And the best part? Jasper integrates seamlessly with other tools you're probably already using, like Grammarly and Surfer SEO, to streamline your workflow even more. Whether you're on your desktop or on the go, Jasper AI is accessible from multiple devices, making it incredibly convenient for busy professionals. Stuck on ideas? Jasper can even help you brainstorm, offering suggestions and creative prompts to get your creative juices flowing. And don't worry about losing your personal touch. You can always edit and tweak the content Jasper generates to make it truly yours. Plus, Jasper supports multiple languages, so you can create content for a global audience without breaking a sweat. From email marketing to ad copy, Jasper's versatility is unmatched. It's like having a Swiss Army knife for content creation. Imagine the time you'll save and the quality you'll achieve with Jasper by your side. It's a game changer for anyone serious about content. And with its built-in analytics, you can track the performance of your content and make data-driven decisions to optimize your strategy. Share your content with confidence, knowing that Jasper has helped you create something truly engaging and impactful. Collaborate with your team effortlessly, as Jasper makes it easy to share and refine content together. Even for video scripts, Jasper has you covered, ensuring your message is clear and compelling. And if you're into podcasting, Jasper can help you craft engaging scripts that keep your audience hooked. Need product descriptions for your e-commerce site? Jasper can generate those too, highlighting key features and benefits to drive sales. From press releases to newsletters, Jasper's got the templates and the smarts to make your content shine. So why not give Jasper AI a try? Experience the future of content creation and see how it can transform your workflow. Jasper AI, your ultimate AI texting buddy, ready to help you create amazing content with ease. Next up, we're talking visuals. And when it comes to design, Canva is a game changer. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, Canva offers a user-friendly platform that can elevate your creative projects to a professional level. But hold up, Canva isn't just for dragging and dropping pre-made templates anymore. While those templates are still incredibly useful, Canva has evolved into a much more powerful tool. They've upped their game with Canva AI, a suite of tools that makes creating stunning visuals incredibly easy. This isn't just about convenience, it's about unlocking new levels of creativity. Let's start with their AI image generator. This tool is a real game changer for anyone who needs custom visuals but doesn't have the time or skills to create them from scratch. Just like with Jasper, you type in a few keywords describing the image you have in mind, and Canva's AI goes to work, generating multiple options for you to choose from. It's like having a personal illustrator, but without the hefty price tag. Imagine needing a unique image for a blog post, social media update, or even a presentation. Instead of spending hours searching for the perfect stock photo or hiring a designer, you can generate exactly what you need in minutes. But it doesn't stop there. Canva AI can also help you remove backgrounds from images, create animated effects, and even suggest design layouts that are optimized for different platforms. These features save you time and ensure your designs look polished and professional. Removing backgrounds used to be a tedious task, often requiring specialized software and skills. With Canva AI, it's as simple as a few clicks. This is perfect for creating clean, professional-looking images for any project. And if you're anything like me, you might not always have the best eye for design. That's where Canva's design suggestions come in handy. The AI can recommend layouts, color schemes, and even font pairings that work well together. That's where Canva's Magic Resize tool comes in. This tool is a lifesaver for anyone managing multiple social media accounts or creating content for various platforms. It automatically reformats your designs for different social media platforms, so you don't have to spend hours tweaking and adjusting. Whether you need a Facebook post, an Instagram story, or a Twitter banner, Magic Resize has got you covered. In summary, Canva's suite of AI tools makes it easier than ever to design like a pro, even if you're not one. From generating custom images to optimizing your designs for different platforms, Canva has everything you need to create stunning visuals with ease. So, whether you're a small business owner, a content creator, or just someone who loves to dabble in design, give Canva a try. You might be surprised at just how professional your projects can look. And don't forget, the more you use Canva, the more you'll discover its hidden features and capabilities. Happy designing! We all know video is king, but creating high-quality video content can feel intimidating. That's where Lumen 5 comes in. This AI-powered tool makes it shockingly easy to transform your written content, think blog posts, articles, even presentations, into engaging videos. You can literally paste your text into Lumen 5 and it will automatically create a video storyboard, complete with relevant images and video clips. And don't worry, you have complete control over the customization. You can change the images, add your own branding, and even record voiceovers directly within the platform. Lumen 5 also offers a library of royalty-free music and sound effects to add that extra layer of polish to your videos. And if you're not sure where to start, they have a ton of templates and style guides to help you create videos that align with your brand aesthetic. The best part? Lumen 5 is incredibly user-friendly, even if you're a complete video editing novice. So, we've covered some seriously impressive AI tools, but let's talk about the bigger picture. The landscape of content creation is evolving rapidly, and AI is at the forefront of this transformation. It's not just about having the latest gadgets or software. It's about fundamentally changing the way we approach our work. Integrating AI into your content creation workflow isn't just about jumping on the latest tech trend. It's about working smarter, not harder. Imagine having a tool that can handle repetitive tasks, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, your creativity and strategic thinking. AI can automate mundane tasks like scheduling posts, optimizing content for SEO, and even generating initial drafts, freeing up your time for more impactful work. These tools are designed to free up your time, allowing you to focus on the strategic and creative aspects of content creation that only you can do. Think of AI as your silent partner, always working in the background to ensure everything runs smoothly. This means you can spend more time brainstorming innovative ideas, crafting compelling narratives, and engaging with your audience. They're like having a team of virtual assistants, working tirelessly behind the scenes to help you produce better content, faster. These virtual assistants can handle everything from content curation to audience analysis, giving you insights that would take hours to gather manually. Imagine the possibilities when you have a team of AI tools working around the clock to support your creative endeavors. But it goes beyond efficiency. AI tools are not just about doing things faster, they're about doing things better. They can help you refine your content, making it more engaging and relevant to your audience. By analyzing user behavior and feedback, AI can suggest tweaks and improvements that you might not have considered. AI tools can also help you unlock new levels of creativity and push the boundaries of what's possible with your content. They can generate ideas, create unique visuals, and even compose music, providing you with a wellspring of inspiration. With AI, you can experiment with different styles and formats, exploring new creative avenues that were previously out of reach. They can analyze trends, suggest fresh ideas, and even help you experiment with different formats and styles. By keeping an eye on the latest trends and audience preferences, AI tools ensure that your content remains relevant and engaging. They can provide you with data-driven insights, helping you to stay ahead of the curve and anticipate what your audience wants to see next. And let's not forget about the data. In today's digital age, data is king, and AI is the key to unlocking its full potential. AI tools can sift through vast amounts of data, identifying patterns and trends that would be impossible to spot manually. This means you can make more informed decisions about your content strategy, ensuring that your efforts are aligned with what your audience actually wants. AI tools are constantly analyzing data, learning what works and what doesn't. They can provide you with real-time feedback, allowing you to adjust your strategy on the fly. This level of insight is invaluable, helping you to fine-tune your content and maximize its impact. This means you can make more informed decisions about your content strategy, ensuring that your efforts are aligned with what your audience actually wants. The bottom line, AI is here to stay, and it's only going to get more powerful. As AI technology continues to evolve, its capabilities will expand, offering even more tools and features to enhance your content creation process. AI is here to stay, and it's only going to get more powerful. Embracing these tools isn't just about staying ahead of the curve. It's about unlocking a whole new level of content creation potential. By integrating AI into your workflow, you can elevate your content, engage your audience more effectively, and ultimately achieve greater success in your creative endeavors. Embracing these tools isn't just about staying ahead of the curve. It's about unlocking a whole new level of content creation potential. So, take the leap, explore the possibilities, and let AI help you level up your content game. The future of content creation is here, and it's more exciting than ever. So there you have it. The AI tools that are about to become your new secret weapons for content creation domination. From generating high-quality text to creating stunning visuals and even transforming words into engaging videos, these tools have got you covered. Remember, AI is here to empower you, not replace you. Use these tools to streamline your workflow, unleash your creativity, and take your content to the next level. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tools to boost your content creation game. See you next time.